Right off the top.
Right off the top.
Yeah.
A little bit off the top. Yep.
You know, even though we're talking about winter weather, I just want to kind of give you a little preview as to what's going to happen. So, you know, it's a little more tolerable when you see what's going to be coming down the road. By Saturday, we're in the mid-40s. By Sunday, we're in the mid-50s. And next week, Monday and Tuesday, we're into the 60s. But to get there, we have to go through this shot of winter weather coming through. And you see what happens tonight. The temperature doesn't go up, it goes down. And just a couple of degrees is going to mean the big difference between whether you get snow or rain or that icy mixture in between. We've got lots of moisture which is headed our way. And the northern fringes of it now have started to change over a little bit. It's kind of rain with some wet snowflakes. Not really seeing accumulation here. You get up toward the north and we're starting to see a little bit of light accumulation. But then as you travel to the south, it's been rain all day and it will continue to be rain throughout much of this entire event. So here's the timing on this. Between now and 11 o'clock, the moisture moves in. Temperatures will be marginal. So the coldest air up here to the north is where you'll see snow, and then some places you'll see sleet. That's where the snowflake kind of falls through a warm air and then kind of refreezes again before it hits the ground. The worst is when it doesn't refreeze, hits the ground and freezes. That's freezing rain. So a lot of this is going to be sleet. Now sleet does not pile up like snow does, but it's every bit as slippery. So be careful later tonight and tomorrow morning. Here's the map at 3 o'clock in the morning, and you can see how the snow line has now worked its way down toward Boston. And then we kind of run out of moisture around 8, 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. But that means we're still dealing with some snow for the morning commute. And to the south, we're dealing with some rain as well. So if you're traveling to the north tomorrow, it's going to be a little more treacherous than what it will be if you're traveling down toward the south. A lot of gray skies tomorrow and not a terribly warm day, maybe even a little spot drizzle developing as well. So this is why I'm concerned about some freezing rain, mainly in elevated areas. The ground will be cold, it will fall as rain, and then hit those surfaces and kind of build up. Now, I'm not looking for enough to bring down power lines or trees, but, you know, we had a lot of trees that were damaged during the blizzard. So a little ice on those, a little extra weight, you might see some scattered power outages from it. Nothing like what we just went through with the blizzard, but certainly enough that you might want to charge the phone up tonight, make sure it's ready to go. I think for Boston, around an inch. We'll call it 1 to 3 in this category, but a bit more as you look up through the Merrimack Valley. And then down to the south, it's mostly rain. You might get a little quick coating out of the whole thing, and that'll be about it. So tonight, that icy mix out there. Rain, freezing rain, sleet, and snow. Temperatures a couple of degrees cooler than what they are right now, just cold enough to support that winter weather. And then tomorrow, well, it's the morning snow, freezing rain early, and then it's just kind of a gray, cold day. Highs tomorrow 34 to 38, which is colder than average for this time of year. But remember, we do have some warmer weather coming down the road. So high temperatures tomorrow look like this. You know, if you get some snow in Billerica at 34 degrees, you're not going to see a lot of melting out of that one tomorrow. But if you go to the south, where you're not going to get much snow anyway, and the temperature pushes near 40 degrees, you're not even going to dig out the shovel at all for this one. All right, this system goes by, mild weather moves in, and just a heads up, over the weekend, we do have a lot of mild air coming in, but I do have one little band of rain out here. Now, this will come through here very early on Sunday. So really Sunday morning, almost before sunrise, we might get a little rain out of it. And I say rain because it's going to be warm enough at that point. We no longer have to talk about winter weather. All right, in the meantime, tomorrow, it is an alert day because of what's going to happen in the morning. That morning ice and snow out there. Only rebounding about 36 for a high. Saturday, mostly cloudy, but we're back into the mid-40s, warming up nicely. And by Sunday, we're into the mid-50s. But remember, Sunday morning, there may be a few showers coming through. There'd be rain showers at that. And then we clear out the clouds, the sun is out, and you see what happens to temperatures. We spike it up in the 60s, mid-60s. Toward the middle of next week, maybe another chance of something coming in. But right now, warm enough that we'd be likely talking about rain. No more wintry mix after we get through tonight and tomorrow morning. Ed and Maria.